Okay, I'm making a smoothie here with my little ninja blender thing here, and I got this new cacao powder I'm going to try. They sent this to us, Viva Natural sent this to us, so we're going to give it a try here in our smoothie. And then, of course, I have my vanilla cream from FlavCity, my Bobby approved all-in-one protein smoothie powder, which I love, 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 love. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to have some frozen strawberries and stuff like that too. So, but anyway, I got it started here with the yogurt and almond milk and stuff like that. I got that started, but now next is the cacao powder and the vanilla cream smoothie powder. That's what's next. And I haven't tried this cacao powder yet, so we're gonna put some of that in there. Beaky beaky. Right there, some of that. And some of the protein smoothie powder. There should be a little scoop in here, I believe. I'm gonna have to set this down. Yeah, when I do a smoothie, I don't do quite a whole scoop because it's a tiny little smoothie blender here, so I do probably about a half a scoop or so. Beaky beaky. Ta-da. Then we'll blend that up, and then we'll add some frozen strawberries and bananas and stuff like that, and it'll be good, 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 good. Okay, now we got our strawberries and our bananas and our powders and everything in here. Getting it all stirred up. And we're going to give it a taste here. And I got my little straw in there, and I got it all. Yeah, normally I put in like a cocoa powder, but this time I put in this cacao powder, and it is just as delicious as always. And of course I got my vanilla powder in there, but this was what I was trying that was different this time, is my Viva Naturals cacao powder. And I'll tell you what, it is rich and flavorful, just like it says. So yeah, thanks for sending that. That is going to be really awesome in my smoothies. That's a winner. Like it. Thanks for sending that.